Hi, my name's Tom, and I quickly want to talk about the little end tables that we just picked up. They're from a brand called ChooChoo. Yes, ChooChoo like a train, but they make furniture. So this is actually the end table we got. This is the espresso color, and I want you to kind of see a couple quick things with this. One, it does have the slats on the bottom. That's really nice. It's kind of like a modern feel to it. The actual wood frame here, all very nice, but it's a darker frame, kind of a dark wood. It's a solid color, a very dark stain, almost like a almost black, but not quite. It's kind of a blackish brown. And then up here, the actual tabletop itself is actually wood colored, actually more of a wood grain. There's a little bit of a grain to it, more of a kind of a stain looking color. We actually really like this look because it almost looks kind of combines a wood with kind of a metal-ish look. This is actually particle board wood, but it's pretty sturdy. Like, I mean, it went together pretty easily, but it's sturdy. It's got a couple screws on it. You tighten them all in, just like every other piece of furniture you've ever put together lately. It's all very much the same. I do want to show you one thing. Um, the actual table itself comes with little black stickers you can kind of put over this to kind of hide these screws. We decided to kind of keep the screws visible because it does kind of add to that industrial modern look that we kind of like. We tend to like wood with metal and in kind of a modern farmhouse sort of a thing. Not quite farmhouse, but kind of a modern with wood sort of a look. So we really like these. And like I said, we got 3 of these. We actually got one for this little corner over here, and then we got one over there, and then one in the corner too. I'll show you those now. So here's one on this side of the couch, and we just go ahead and put a lamp on it. You will notice they are nice and small. They're not too big. They don't take up a whole lot of room, but they're big enough for a lamp, and you can put some coasters on it, put a coffee cup, potted plant, whatever you want. They are nice little tables. Here's our third one, and again, we have some coasters here, but you can kind of see we put a lamp on it, and again, same idea. You can see the brown, and then down here is kind of a darker color. We really like them. They work pretty well. They come in a 1-pack or a 2-pack. We actually got one 2-pack, and we got one 1-pack, and we just put them together. They only take about, I don't know, 35 minutes to put together each. It really wasn't that bad. They're good tables. We recommend them.